Amidst allegations made by Sushant's father against Rhea Chakraborty about mismanaging funds from Sushant's account, a new video has emerged from last year where Sushant's sister Priyanka and her husband are questioning a staff member about an alleged money transfer. The case surrounding Sushant Singh Rajput's demise keeps getting more and more murky, with videos, messages and photos being released all the time. Now, after a series of messages were released by both Sushant's family and Rhea Chakraborty, now comes a video that has been released by Sushant's family which was allegedly taken last year in April. The video sees the family conducting a puja for Sushant Singh Rajput for his safety and well-being. Now, this only goes to strengthen the case against Rhea, who has been accused of siphoning off money from Sushant and mismanaging his funds. Here's the story. Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Priyanka has been under the spotlight after there were multiple opposing allegations and counter-allegations about her equation with Sushant, while Rhea had alleged that she had misbehaved with her and shared chats where Sushant referred to his sister as manipulative and pure evil. Sushant's family and their lawyer had responded saying that Rhea had made false allegations to drive a wedge between the two siblings who were very close. Their lawyer has said he realized his mistake, that in a short span of a few days, Rhea had played a mind game to separate two siblings who were inseparable and happened to be each other's strongest emotional support. Sushant's sister Shweta had shared a note allegedly written by Sushant to Priyanka, where he writes a glowing tribute to her and says that she carried on his mother's legacy. A new video allegedly filmed in April 2019 has now emerged, where Priyanka and her husband questioned a staff member about an alleged money transfer. Video में Priyanka और उनके husband बहुत गुस्से में दिखाई दे रहे हैं and are seen angrily asking a man they call Rajat about an alleged money transfer to a former employee named Pankaj. According to the news channel which has shared the video, Rajat Sushant के finances संभालते थे before he was asked to leave. Priyanka and her husband can be seen repeatedly threatening Rajat with imprisonment, legal action and other such serious consequences if he refuses to reveal who asked him to transfer money. They tell him कि वो सिर्फ इतना जानना चाहते हैं कि उसने ये काम किसके कहने पे किया. प्रियंका 2 बार ये भी कहती है कि रजत एक स्टार के घर में काम कर रहे हैं और एक लॉयर के सामने खड़े हैं, which we assume is a reference to her own husband. You are in a Bollywood star's house, Priyanka can be heard telling Rajat in Hindi. Rajat was ironically replaced by Samuel Miranda, who has now been named as one of the accused in the FIR filed in Patna by Sushant's father, the FIR filed by the CBI, and is also under investigation by the Enforcement Directorate. It is uncertain what Sushant's equation was with Rhea at this point and how this video will impact ongoing investigations into the case, which are already embroiled in multiple controversies at this point.